You know, working with large numbers, say with 10 or 15 or even more digits, is kind of scary. But luckily, there are some good ways to make it easier for us. So let's say, for example, that I want to write 1 billion, which is a number with 9 zeros. Knowing that, I can use the scientific notation to write this, and it gives me the exact same result. That's great, but what about numbers that are not powers of 10? Let's say that we want to write 200,370,485. We can always write such large numbers by separating them wherever we want using underlines. And what Python will do is that it will completely ignore the underlines and just write the number for us.
Well, that is good news, isn't it?
Too good.
Perfect. Let's now also tackle the problem of reading large numbers. Here we have two numbers a and b, and we also have the result of their multiplication, which kind of looks a bit daunting. And now we can make this look a bit better by using the rules of string formatting. Now, this was the general syntax for using string formatting. And if we just throw in this bad boy, it's going to help us making it a little bit more readable.